Hi everyone, welcome back to Ashley's Kitchen. Today we are making a super comforting classic, stir-fried egg noodles. Just look at this, simple, colorful, and absolutely irresistible. If this doesn't make you hungry, I don't know what will. Alright, let's get our veggies ready. Slice up a bit of onion. The vegetables here are totally flexible. Use whatever you love or whatever you have in the fridge. Cut a tomato into chunks. Then prepare some shredded carrot, baby greens, mung bean sprouts. Crack 2 eggs into a bowl and whisk them up. And of course, make sure your noodles are ready to go. That's all our ingredients. Let's start cooking. Bring a wok of water to a boil. Drop in the noodles and cook them until they are done. Take them out. Rinse them under cold water. And save a bit of noodle cooking water for later. Drain the noodles well. Add 1 tablespoon dark soy sauce to give them that beautiful color. Then half a tablespoon oil to keep them from sticking. Heat some oil in the wok. Pour in the eggs and let them set. Once they are firm, take them out and set aside. Leave a little oil in the wok and add minced garlic and scallions. Let that aroma come out. Then toss in the onions. Give them a quick stir. And add all the veggies. Big heat, fast stir. Keep everything moving. Add the tomatoes and drizzle 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce around the edge of the wok. Now bring the eggs back in. Add the noodles. Then season with 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon MSG, 1 teaspoon sugar. Stir everything together over high heat. Then pour in about 200 milliliters of the noodle cooking water. Right before it's done, drizzle 1 tablespoon of black vinegar around the wok. Stir again until the sauce thickens and coats every strand. And that's it, we are done. Look at this plate of noodles. So glossy, so colorful, so inviting. This is a classic dish you will find at night markets all over China. Let me try a bite for you. It's amazing. You've got to try this at home. It's easy, quick, and absolutely delicious. Thanks for watching. See you next time.